one related to weight, measurement of weight, different units we have learned, standard, non-standard, both the way we have learned, standard unit also we have learned. Now it is time to think logically and give answer. Certain exercises are given where you will think, because visualization is required for doing this activity or exercise. What is that? Let's see. Yes, color the boxes for which you need a bigger box. Why bigger box? See here, everywhere you can see 1 kg, 1 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg, 500 gram, 500 gram, 3 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, 4 kg, 200 gram, 200 gram. In both cases, means measuring weight quantity are same. Then why bigger box? Because some of the things are such which takes larger place. It needs more place, more space, you can say. What is that? Suppose you are taking 1 kg of potato from a shopkeeper. You can take in a polythene bag, but if you take 1 kg of potato wafer, can it be possible to put in the same bag that wafer? No, because that wafer are fluffy. It needs more space. So in the same carry bag, you cannot take, same size carry bag, you cannot take that wafer. It needs a bigger bag, though the quantity are same, 1 kg potato, 1 kg potato wafer. But it needs a bigger bag to fill. So that is why I am talking about that you have to think that which one needs a bigger space. Let's start, then only you can understand. 1 kg cotton balls. You have seen no cotton balls? In the cotton plants, cotton balls are there, white color. Or 1 kg pulses. Pulses mama is cooking as a food. So, if you take 1 kg of cotton balls in one bag and 1 kg of pulses in other bag, which one will be the smaller? Which one will take small space? Pulses, no? But cotton ball will need bigger space, no? Because it is fluffy. It occupies more space, though the quantity are same, 1 kg, 1 kg. So here we have to color which bigger bag, need bigger bag. So cotton balls need bigger bag, we will color these balls. Okay, not that one. First we color, then outline will do afterwards. Now we do outline. Yes. Fine. This is done. Now, second number. 2 kg potatoes or 2 kg popcorns. Whenever you go to malls or theatre, you are enjoying popcorns. You have seen in a big type of boxes they are giving it, because it needs more space, fluffy one, isn't it? But if you take 2 kg of potato, it can come in small carry bag, but 2 kg of popcorn needs a bigger bag. It is fluffy one. So popcorns need more space. So we color this box. Okay. This way you have to think and you have to color. Then number 3, 500 gram wafer or 500 gram rice. Same with wafer is fluffy one. Whenever you are eating, you are enjoying potato wafer or banana wafer. It is fluffy. It needs more space, more bigger bag. But if you take rice, instead of 500 gram rice, that needs a smaller poly bag. Okay. So wafer needs more space, so we will color biodiverse box. Fine. Now, next one. 3 kg rice or 3 kg puffed rice. Puffed rice means in Hindi you can tell it mamra or puffed rice. It also needs more space. No? Whenever you are bringing in lunch, I have seen big lunch box some are carrying. Why? Because it needs more space. That's why it is fluffy. So, puffed rice need more space compared to rice. So, we color this box. Okay. Then 4 kg pulse or 4 kg sugar. Again, we will shift give us wool. That is also fluffy one. If you take in a bag, it needs a bigger bag, 4 kg, bigger bag. Whereas, if you take 4 kg sugar, it will be the handy and small one, this much only. That's all. So, but in this small bag, you cannot put 4 kg of wool. So, it needs bigger one, bigger bag. So, we will color 4 kg of wool because it needs more space compared to 4 kg of sugar. Clear? Now last one, 200 gram. We write here gram. 200 gram fried papad and 200 gram raw papad. Now when you like papad, when it is raw, that is kacha, you can keep it one after another very easily. But when it's fried in oil or without oil also, it will become, the size will be more. It will increase. You cannot keep one by one. It will break then. Isn't it? So, fried papad in a whole, if you take, take a bigger space. So, we will color this fried papad box because it needs more space than raw papad. Isn't it? So, this way, children, all the weights are same, but some needs more space due to as they occupy more space due to the fluffiness of that thing. So, this way, children, I have taken revision of this chapter for this purpose only, so that you can understand everything minutely. So, please observe it and do practice so that it will be helpful for your life for the whole time.